Have you ever wanted to capture incredible underwater footage without editing or color grading? If you've followed along over the years, you know we always have a GoPro on hand, and it's how we've captured some of our favorite memories and adventures. Here are 5 simple tips and tricks that we've learned that can help you better capture the action. Tip number 1, setting up your GoPro. Fine-tune your settings before jumping in. Over the years, one of the most common questions we've received is, we typically use one of 2 settings. This is perfect for those self-capture and POV moments. While these settings are great for those buttery smooth slow-mo shots. Tip number 2, always clean your lens. Before taking out our GoPros, we make sure to always clean the lens on the camera and the housing. A small speck or smudge can end up looking like a blurry spot in your footage. Tip number 3, pick your accessories wisely. We love the El Grande. It's our go-to accessory for filming underwater. It's perfect for capturing more of our surroundings, especially in those self-capture moments. Tip number 4, 2-button control. Did you know that you can change your settings underwater? You can toggle between camera presets by holding the shutter and mode button at the same time. Tip number 5, rinse and repeat. Always rinse your GoPro to remove salt and prevent corrosion. If you have any other tips or tricks, let us know in the comments. Happy shooting!